I created it in under 30 seconds using AI, and it was completely free. No credit card, no watermarks, no catch. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create videos like this using Grok Imagine without spending a single dollar. So here's what makes Grok Imagine amazing for free users. You get access to the same Aurora AI engine that paid users have, meaning professional quality video generation at zero cost. Here's how simple it is. You either upload an image or describe what you want and Grok creates it. Then you tell it how to animate it and boom, video with built-in audio. Let me give you some real examples of what you can create. Take a still photo of a sunset over the ocean. Add a prompt like gentle waves rolling onto the shore with seagulls flying overhead. Grok brings it to life with realistic water motion and even adds the sound of crashing waves and bird calls. Or imagine you have a portrait photo. Prompt it with slight head turn with wind blowing through hair, and suddenly your static image becomes cinematic. Want something more creative? Try neon cityscape at night with rain falling and cars passing by. Grok generates the visuals, the rain animation, and the ambient city sounds with traffic noise. The best part? Each video generates in just 10 to 30 seconds. The output is between 6 and 15 seconds long, which is perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Now, the free tier gives you 10 to 15 video generations per day. That might sound limiting, but think strategically. That's enough to create your entire week's worth of social media content in one sitting. Plan your ideas, batch your creations, and you're set. And here's the kicker. No watermarks. These videos are 100% yours to use however you want. So if you've been wanting to try AI video creation but thought it was too expensive or complicated, Grok Imagine is your answer. Free, fast, and powerful. Head to grok.com, sign up for free, and start creating today. And if you want more free AI tool tutorials like this, smash that subscribe button. Drop a comment below. What's the first video you're going to create? I want to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.